Good morning from London, everybody. It is about 10:45 in the morning. We're getting kind of a late start because, jet lag, and also we got here really late last night. Our flight was supposed to leave New York at 8 a.m. Eastern time and arrive in London at 8 p.m. here time, but we were delayed a couple of hours. The flight ended up being faster somehow. I don't really understand, but we got into Heathrow at like 9:30. Didn't get to our hotel until after 11. Then we got some food, and then we pretty much crashed at like 2 a.m. I guess. And now we're gonna go take a boat tour. And I'm really excited and happy to be here, but let me give you a quick little hotel room tour. I'm standing at the door. You come in. I'm a big fan of this light up mirror right here. Over here we've got the bathroom, which really stinks. So we have the door closed. We're going to ask somebody about that on our way out and see. So we can go take a look because it does not smell good in here. But it's a nice bathroom though, once that gets sorted. Clothes hanging area. Floor length mirror. And here's the main area. It's pretty messy already, but that's real life. Nice cushy bed. Oh, it's got this like, hold on. Which switch is it? No.
Headboard.
There we go. It's got this headboard light that looks really cool in the dark. It makes the whole room purple. There's Ross. Hello. And then just this desk area. Coffee stuff. And then this window that's half frosted and I can't really see out it, but if I put the camera way up, there's a pretty view. All right, we don't want to be late for a boat tour, so let's go. So the very first thing we decided to do was take a river cruise with a tour guide. It was a quick little 45-minute excursion where we were able to see and learn about a lot of the major landmarks. Big Ben, St. Paul's Cathedral, the London Eye, all the bridges, so much stuff really, really quickly. We wanted to do this early in the trip to get some basic history, get the lay of the land a little bit, and form an idea of what we had an interest in exploring further.
If you was rich, you had a pineapple. You didn't have a Louis Vuitton bag. Now you know that when you walk around London, Victorian London, you will see pineapples everywhere. The thing you've all come to see in it, the world famous, the iconic, the beautiful, the wonderful London Bridge, where you've all just been under it. That bridge behind you is London Bridge. This one up ahead is Tower Bridge. But just like Big Ben, don't worry if you get it wrong, you'll be in good company, because if you Google London Bridge, it will show you pictures of Tower Bridge. Everyone gets it wrong.
We just got off of our boat. Our tour guide's name was Ian. He was great. We learned a lot of stuff. It was also very funny. It wasn't very expensive either, so would recommend. I'll be linking things that we do in the description and try to put as much text as possible up on the screen to help too. But right now we are about to walk about a 30-minute walk to Soho to meet my friend Adrienne, who lives here, and we're gonna get lunch with her. Then I don't really know what. we ate lunch, Adrian walked around with us for a bit, and we went to this tea shop in Covent Garden Market that had all these free samples of tea and hot chocolate around. Yum. And I think she just finished, but I was pretending. It's all fake anyway. Then we walked toward Trafalgar Square and past these British horse guard guys. Fun. It's about 3:45. Adrian just left us. It was so good to see her. We're seeing her again tomorrow. Very excited. I don't know what we're doing right now, but let's go find something. What are we gonna find?
Buckingham Palace?
Buckingham Palace. Let's go. Fortnum & Mason is a British luxury department store established in 1707, located at Piccadilly. It's absolutely gigantic and most famous for its high-quality gourmet teas and foods. They had everything from sweets to cured meats. We also saw some crazy expensive tea sets and furniture in there, and it was just really beautiful and quite the experience. After we left, we just happened across St. James's Church, which is where the wedding scene in season 2 of Bridgerton was filmed. I love Bridgerton, and season 2 is my favorite, so I was really excited. Which season is your favorite? Let me know. Hi, I'm standing in the middle of chaos at Piccadilly Circus, but we're about to get some Italian food, and then we're going to see Les Mis on the West End. Exciting. Hey y'all, we have made it back to our purple hotel room. Told you it looked more purple in here at night. We gotta talk about Les Mis. I don't even know how to talk about Les Mis. I cried, I think, 4 times. Les Mis is my favorite show of all time in the whole world. I love nothing more than that show. And we also got really good seats. We were in row G in the orchestra. I could see people's faces up close, you know. Everybody was just so good. Like, so good. The production was incredible. The orchestra was incredible. And I feel so grateful to have experienced that. Also, at the end, when I was sobbing, as I always do, when I see that show, I'm like trying to be discreet, you know? And then all of a sudden, this man behind me was like loudly blowing his nose and like... And I was like, okay, it's not just me, all is well. Anyway, we had a great day. I'm gonna get comfy and hopefully go to bed soon. It's, what time is it, 11? It's like 11. Last night, I didn't fall asleep until almost 3 because in my body clock, it was only 10. But hopefully I'm more on London time now. So, good night. Good morning, everybody. It is London day 2. I'm happy to report that this bathroom no longer smells, so we have the door open, and I am dressed like somebody's grandfather today, so that's fun. I'm very comfortable though. We're about to head to King's Cross to see platform 9 3/4. We don't have anything scheduled, right? Like nowhere we have to be at any certain time, so it's gonna be a pretty free day. I mean, other than like we're meeting Adrian again around 1:30 or so we have that, but yeah, that's about it. So let's go see some Harry Potter stuff. Y'all, I love Harry Potter. I do. I think I'm one of the biggest Harry Potter fans around, honestly. And that was so bad. Like, massive lines of tourists waiting to take a picture with some fake suitcases at the fake platform 9 3/4. Like, it's not really the real thing. It's just like against a random wall because they don't want people like on the train platforms, you know? The line was 1 hour and 15 minutes. Yeah, we skipped it. We went in the little store and it was also too crowded to move around. And I feel like being from New York, we should know. I think we should have known that something like that would be bad. But we're getting on the train now and we're going to St. Paul's Cathedral and lunch. So we went to St. Paul's Cathedral, but realized going in and fully experiencing it would take much more time than we realized, and we didn't have too long until Adrian was free to meet us, and we wanted to make sure to fully take advantage of our time with her, so we decided to go back later in the week. So if you were really looking forward to seeing the cathedral, stay tuned for the next video. Hey, so I goofed a little bit and didn't realize that St. Paul's Cathedral was a 90-minute kind of deal. And we didn't really have time because we needed to come meet Adrian. So we looked at the outside of it, and now we are in Adrian's neighborhood of Angel, I think. And we are gonna go hang out with her and she'll show us around a little bit. But we're gonna go back to St. Paul's Cathedral because we do want to do the tour. I just misunderstood all that it entails and we didn't have time. Beautiful. And this little lavender place, how cute. Adrian took us to another very cute little tea shop with free samples that we ended up going back to multiple times and buying a bunch of tea to bring home from. She took us on a really nice walk around Angel and showed us all the highlights, including the stunning Regent's Canal. We went in a really nice plant shop and a bookstore that I didn't film at all because, oops. Then we went back to her place and hung out with her sweet kitty cat Apricot for a bit before dinner. Apricot, you're gonna be in the vlog.
Why is your mouth open?
What are you doing? I have been informed that we are in Clerkenwell now, and we are going to an Italian restaurant that Adrian recommends. And so far, all of Adrian's recommendations have been the best stuff we've done. So, I'm thrilled. She's killing it. Follow her Instagram. Adrian does music, right?
Yes.
Adrian does music.
I'm gonna start to post more just for you.
Just for you.
I love it here.
I too love it here. Oh, I'm getting you aesthetically crossing the street. There is so much footage of me like we're in the streets with our red beers. Cheers! Yeah! When we left Adrian to head back to the hotel, we decided to go in a grocery store and look around because Adrian was telling us about these meal deals that the grocery stores have where you can get a full lunch for really cheap. These became a recurring theme on this trip and we ended up having so many, but obviously we had just eaten dinner, so we just got some candy this time. I don't really know if I should keep filming with this purple light on. Well, we're leaving this hotel tomorrow, so like this is probably it, but I don't know, it's just kind of a vibe. But we had the nicest afternoon with Adrian. She showed us around to some places that, you know, we probably wouldn't have found on our own. Adrian is my friend from college and she moved over here like about a year ago now. So it's really, really good to see her. And we are actually going to be staying at her place tomorrow and Saturday while she and her boyfriend are out of town. So we're leaving this hotel tomorrow to go stay there before we head off to Scotland Sunday night. But that's not why I'm here right now. I'm here right now to show you this candy that I bought. I have heard that British chocolate is so much better than American chocolate, and I'm about to find out. I know you can buy Cadbury in the States, but I feel like it's made different or something because of the restrictions and stuff over here. Let's see. Okay, first of all, that smells awesome. It's got some orange flavor. That's really nice. Okay, I like that a lot. That's really, really good. I've never had this exact thing in the States. I feel like I want to compare them side to side, but I have had a Kinder Joy in the States. I actually really love these. I know they're intended for children, but Ross gets them for me all the time because I really like them, which is very sweet. Oh, okay, it looks different. So in the States, this is white chocolate and milk chocolate, but this looks to just be white chocolate with little truffle balls in the middle, which look about the same, but oh wait, there's milk chocolate under there. Okay, so it was just hidden better. Okay, I feel like that's different. Also, this is paper. This is plastic in the States, but it is paper here. That is definitely different. It's really good. It's really, really good. It smells really good. Yeah, I need to get some more British candy, I guess. I was as excited about that grocery store as I was about the cathedral and the boat tour and all the other stuff. I know that sounds so silly, but I'm just like, oh, cool, a local grocery store. Like, I get to see what this is like and see all the different snacks. So, like, I sound so silly, but yeah.